artista profético te apresenta um update profético Pablo, de acordo com o evento na muda do lugar atual e também o que a Bíblia te apresenta como profecia na antigo cumpre de nos tempo. Mês cosco de tempo de Daniel. Revelação 3 em combinação com Daniel 3, lo repite su mês de nos tempo. Diabo angel de música lo introduzi adoração falso através de música que tem tempo de reina Nabucodonosor mesmo cos que tem tempo de reina Nabucodonosor. Avelo usa cambio climático, climate change, para chegar na adoração falso. Esta já domingo como dia de adoração em vez de sábado bíblico. Ojo, humano. O que videoclip na seguinte que nós também passa e mira com turnação também canta e cantica que mesmo cosco de Daniel 3 turnação tribo e lengue raça mesra canta e mientras durante canta na mesra adorar falso. O que seguinte videoclip na
people all over the world to sing this song called Do It Now. This is how many people have already joined in. And now we're asking you, not only to sing with us, but to help make this a massive sing-along. So wherever you live, in your town, city, or village, start singing with your whole school, your club, group, or association. At your environmental demonstration or climate event. At your sustainable festival. With as many people as you can gather.
United Nations climate talks have unfortunately been just that for 16 years. Just talk and no real substantive action. My activist friends at home said, Kumi, no wonder you're failed in Copenhagen, because no movement succeeds without a song and without being part of the culture of the broader society. For the 17th conference, where negotiations continue around the climate in my home city, Durban, this December, we didn't want to make that same mistake again. So 350.org worked with leading musicians in South Africa and across the African continent to come up with a beautiful song that tells the truth about the impact of climate change on people right now where lives are being lost, but also in addition to telling the truth about the concern, it is also a song that will inspire action for us to get more and more people involved and to ensure that we can get people power to move the agenda forward so that we can secure this planet for our children.
Till we wake up, till we wake up. Tell me how long till we wake up. Just like the sea
Chasing the wonder, I unravel myself, all in slow motion.
Water moves, new world order rules. Through hurricanes, the pain is made audible. Sound waves, shot-town graves dug deep. Water dirty like the police.
People are dying. Entire ecosystems are collapsing. We're in the beginning of a mass extinction, and all you can talk about is money.
Wake up. Wake up. This word speaks of a responsibility which the Lord gives you. It is the duty to be vigilant, not to allow the pressures, the temptations, and the sins of ourselves or others to dull our sensibility to the beauty of.
You know,
I could tell you I was fragile. I could tell you I was weak. I can write you out a letter, tell you anything you need. I've seen minutes turn to hours, hours turn to years, and I've seen truth turn to power. If you could see me the way I see you, if you could feel me the way I feel you, you'd be a believer, you'd be a believer. And it's turned to hours, hours turned to years, and I've seen truth turn to power.
Waki siguiente platinam, antupi sami, si em verdade, non scrivando de último tempo e profecia bíblico waknan.
That's beautiful. I just got to add, before you jump in with the question, I just got to, because you mentioned Ramadan and Lent, there's actually some research that's been done about the Sabbath observance in Israel. Energy consumption drops by like 40%. And you know, it's one day out of the week, but it is, if you think about living in a particular way, and if we could build these as habits, and in Yom Kippur, it drops to some, you know, phenomenally low level of energy consumption. But these are possible, and our religious traditions give us windows into behaving that way.
Excellent connection. All right, we're